What's going on, guys? We're going to do a little intraday technical analysis on the SPY. So today we're down about a half a percentage point, $1.59. Was some fantastic moves that you could have made. A little scalp to the long side to start the day, and then that nice big flush that we got just about a couple of hours ago, followed by a little bit of a reversal off of that demand zone, and then a little bit of a stall. So what we're exactly looking at here on my chart, just a 20 SMA. We're also looking at today's lows, right? So anything below 393.28 definitely has some more downside, especially on that daily time frame chart. So make sure you guys look at that daily time frame chart as well. What I kind of want to quickly point out here is this initial opening range low, right? So let me actually rewind a little bit and look at the hourly candle so you guys can have a little bit of a better idea of what exactly is going on here. So if we kind of look at the pre-market data here, I did have a level at 398.15. We did try to make a little bit of a push higher. Obviously, this would have been my entry for long calls over 398.15. Never confirmed once the market opened, started to sell off into that pre-market. And this candle here is the candle that I like to focus on. The candle that I have my mouse cursor over is the first hour candle of the day. Now that for me is going to include the first 30 minutes of pre-market, as well as that 6:30 to 7 a.m. kind of time frame, right? I'm in California, so everything I'm going to be talking about is going to be in Pacific Standard Time, just kind of for reference. But this first hour candle, I want you guys to kind of see exactly where we stopped. The first to go around on this first hour candle was exactly at yesterday's lows. So there was a little bit of a long opportunity here. If you were kind of looking at yesterday's lows here and seeing this nice strong wick off of yesterday's lows, you could have actually taken a very, very low risk trade to the upside, using the low of day and yesterday's lows as your absolute max pain and stop, and kind of rode those calls up into the next supply zone. Now for me, that's going to be the 20 SMA here. Definitely you're never going to catch the whole move. If you did, congratulations. But the way I look at it here is, kind of a double bottom here, basically off of yesterday's lows. We had that nice wick up. I was going to wait for that second hour candle, which is 7 a.m. As soon as we start to get that push higher and we never take out those lows, definitely want to sit in calls here, and I want to be taking my profits into supply. Now, I would re-enter that long position if we took out this pre-market here at 398.15. That never happened. As soon as you start to wick down, does not mean you just jump automatically into puts. Although I know there's some traders and some experienced scalpers who like to do that, right? A test of supply, a rejection of that supply, and kind of take that short position down. But your fantastic trade to the short side was actually when we took out the pre-market lows as well as yesterday's lows. That price was sitting at around that 395. So that 395 area was a big level on the SPY. If you're looking to kind of trade those options, you're definitely going to want to take that short position below 395. And we dropped from a price of 395 all the way down to the day's lows of around 393. So if you kind of look at where we tried to bounce up to and where we got rejected. Where did we get rejected, guys? We got rejected right at those pre-market lows, that first hour candles lows, as well as yesterday's lows. As soon as we take this rejection here, this is your second short position here, and then you're going to use that 395.25 as your stop. Now we are coming back down here, looking like we're wanting to test those day's lows here. And if I just kind of pull up the daily time frame, you're going to see that we've got a lot of room if we can confirm that 393.28. We got room all the way down here to around 390, which is going all the way back to a channel that we put in on November the 17th. So kind of just keep that in mind. If this trade does not unfold today, perhaps it unfolds tomorrow, right? So if we don't lose this low of 393, then let's look for this trade tomorrow. Anything below today's lows has room down to 390 on the S&P 500. I hope this helps. If you guys want to trade with me each and every single day, make sure to join that Discord. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. I want to know what you guys traded. I would love to see your guys' chart, so definitely come into the Discord. Let me see what you guys are looking at, and I will see you guys all in the next video.